Corn growers are in search of the next aha moment, which could lead to a lot of use for corn, something we grow so well here in the state of Iowa. That is exactly what the Iowa Corn Promotion Board does so well, is look for new uses to add value back into that product. On the telephone line with me now is Chris Bengston. And Chris, I learned about something called the Radicle Corn Value Chain Challenge at Commodity Classic. Iowa is in with a group of other states, basically kind of shark tanking it, looking for that next big idea. Tell me a little bit more about that.
Yeah, absolutely. Hey, thanks for having me on. So the Radicle Corn Value Chain Challenge, this challenge, it sets out to invest a minimum of $1.5 million in startup and growth companies from around the world whose innovative technologies and business models create new uses for corn and long-term sustainable demand for corn production.
That is a huge incentive, up to $1.5 million startup and growth companies. So how do companies find out about it, and what are you looking for?
Right. Yeah. So applications are open now. So you can find more information at radicle.vc. And then, so things that we're looking for. So really, I mean, anything that, is going to increase that corn, new use is really kind of what we're looking for. So, anything as innovative as, there's been a lot of talk on sustainable aviation fuel, anything downstream for plastics, chemicals, you name it. Anything that's outside the normal demand picture is kind of what we're looking for at this point.
So you get these companies that are interested. You get like nominations or maybe even applications, and then you're going to have a pitch day coming up in the fall. What do you hope to boil them down on pitch day from?
Right. So winners are going to be. So we'll have that pitch day in fall at 24, and we'll have finalists compete for the investment, and then also they'll have access to industry expertise to accelerate their growth. So in addition to that investment, they'll receive guidance from both corn industry experts, and then also senior executives from Radicle Growth will be able to advance their business. So, we're taking an active role. We really want them, really want these winners to succeed.
Yeah, and this is a big deal. And this folks with Radicle Growth, they're familiar with this. They've worked with these startup propositions in the past. Now, Chris, we expect Iowa to lead the way. They always have when it comes to production, when it comes to ideas in corn. And I'm so proud of you guys leading the charge here at the Commodity Classic. But along with Iowa, other states are participating as well.
Right, yeah. Yeah, would love to give a shout out to them real quick because, without their support and collaboration, this challenge wouldn't be a reality. So joining the Iowa Corn Promotion Board is Colorado Corn Promotion Council, the Illinois Corn Marketing Board, the Kansas Corn Commission, Kentucky Corn Promotion Council, and the South Dakota Corn Utilization Council. And,
of course, leading the way, our guys and gals right here in the great state of Iowa with the Iowa Corn Promotion Board. Hey, we'll catch up with you again and talk more value added into the corn industry about a week from right now here on The Big Show.